Hello guys, welcome to another video. Let's solve this question. This is a question from geometry parallel lines. Okay, we are told, let's read this basic information. DB is parallel to FE, that's key, as you can see here. Okay, and DE is parallel to AC. What is the value of x? What is this value? This is very easy, right? Now, let's forget about this line down here. Let's focus on these three lines. If this line and this line are parallel, it means that this line is a transversal line. Okay? Transversal line. So it's like you're having, these are parallel lines, then you have something like this. Okay? So these are the parallel lines. You have something like this. Then this angle here is 55 degrees. So if this is 55, if these two lines are parallel, if you write like a Z, okay, a Z shape, it means that this and this are alternate angles. Okay, they are alternate angles. So we can take a letter to be here. Let's say this is Y. So we say this one here be Y. So you can say let's angle DEDB. Okay, EDB equals to Y. Okay, so now, so this angle here is going to be what? 55 degrees, but you have to show it here. So you say Y is equals to, after this, Y is equals to 55 degrees. You see, alternate angles are congruent, meaning they have equal measures. So that's the first thing you have to do. Now, once that is done, you have to focus now. Let's forget about this one. Let's focus now on these three lines. Now, if this and this are parallel, then this line now, which was a parallel line, serves as the transversal line. Now, this one serves as the transversal line. Now, so you have now something like this. You have this, then you have this. Okay. Now you already have this one as 55, which was the Y. Right? Now we need this X. We can solve this one two ways. We can either add this and this and sum them to 180. They are co-interior angles. Or you can take again the letter to be here. So say this is W. Okay? So you say this one as W. If you want, there are different ways you can solve. But if you want to go faster, we can just take this one. So you can say Y plus X equals to 180 degrees. You see, co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, they are up to 180. So this is 55 plus X plus 180 minus 55 here minus 55. This and this goes to my X is equals to subtract. That should give you 125 degrees. So that's the first thing you should have done. Now, this again, if you assume this one to be W, this again like Z, you go this shape, or this like a Z. So you can say W is equals to, Y is equals to W. Say alternate angles are congruent. They have equal measures. So therefore, your W is 55. Now, if this is 55, you can say 55 plus X here equals 180. Now, not this reason anymore. You can say angles on a straight line. Okay? So you can solve again and get your X here as 125 degrees. Subtract minus 55 minus 55. You still have the same answer, but a different reason. Okay? See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share. Your shares means a lot, guys. Trust me, it helps the algorithm, right? And don't forget to get yourself this book if you're watching this video on TikTok. Get it, okay? See you guys. Bye bye.